Think for 2 minutes before making a decision. The story of a terrible mistake. Part 1. The King of Hanspur and the Wise Astrologer. Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Hanspur, there ruled a king who believed in completing his tasks quickly. He would finish any work as fast as possible. One day, it was the king's birthday, and he invited all the people of his kingdom to celebrate the occasion, including a wise astrologer who lived in the state. The astrologer was very knowledgeable but financially poor. The king had arranged a grand feast for his birthday. Everyone who received the invitation attended the feast, including the wise astrologer. All the guests brought gifts according to their status, and the king was pleased with a variety of presents. When it was the astrologer's turn, he said, "I have nothing material to give you, but I have a piece of wisdom for you. Before doing anything, think for 2 minutes." Hearing this, everyone laughed, and they left. But the king took this advice seriously. Part 2. The King's Absence and the Birth of the Prince. After some time, the king had to leave the kingdom for some reason. During his absence, the queen gave birth to a prince. As time passed, the prince grew up hearing stories about his father. The time came for the king to return to his kingdom, but he faced many challenges on his way back, which made him very angry. The king had never seen his son before, and when he met the prince on the way, the stubborn prince challenged the king to a duel. Part 3. The Duel and the Importance of the Astrologer's Advice. The king, in his anger, agreed to the duel with the condition that the loser would be sentenced to death. The duel began, and the prince lost. As per the condition, the king raised his sword to punish the prince. At that moment, he remembered the astrologer's advice. The king paused for 2 minutes and asked the prince, "Who are your parents?" The prince replied, "I don't know my father, but I can take you to my mother." When the king met the prince's mother, he realized that the prince was his own son. The king embraced the prince and understood the value of the astrologer's advice. Part 4. The king's gratitude towards the astrologer. The king realized that the astrologer's advice had saved him from making a grave mistake. He decided to honor the astrologer. The king ordered his soldiers to find the astrologer and bring him to the palace. After a thorough search, the soldiers found the astrologer and respectfully brought him to the king. The king welcomed the astrologer warmly and narrated the entire incident to him. The king rewarded the astrologer with many gifts and honored him, saying, "If you hadn't given me that advice, I would have committed a grave mistake. Your wisdom is invaluable, and I will cherish it forever." Part 5. A New Beginning in Hanspur. With the astrologer's advice and the king's newfound wisdom, everything in Hanspur started to improve. The king learned the importance of thinking before making decisions and taught his people the same. The state became peaceful and prosperous. The prince also learned this valuable lesson from his father and resolved to become a wise and just ruler. Everyone in Hanspur was happy, thanks to a simple piece of advice from the wise astrologer. Part 6. New Characters and Challenges. Introducing a new character in the story, a wise parrot named Mithu. Mithu was the king's pet parrot who always helped and guided him. Mithu often reminded the king of the importance of thinking before acting. One day, a fierce storm hit the kingdom, causing significant damage. The king followed Mithu's advice and ordered his people to move to safe places. Mithu's cleverness helped save everyone and prevent further damage to the kingdom. Part 7. The Power of Friendship. The prince befriended a poor farmer's son named Mohan. Mohan was very intelligent and hardworking. Together, the prince and Mohan solved many problems and contributed to the state's development. They worked on improving education and health in the kingdom. Seeing Mohan's intelligence, the king gave him an important position in his court. Mohan's advice and hard work brought prosperity to the kingdom, making the king proud of his son's choice of friend. Part 8. Education for the New Generation. The king decided that every child in the kingdom should receive an education. He opened many schools and appointed the astrologer as the chief advisor for these schools. The astrologer taught the children important life lessons, including the value of thinking before making decisions. The prince and Mohan established a library where everyone could gain knowledge. The library had books on every subject, enriching the people's knowledge. Part 9. The Kingdom's Development. The king, the prince, Mohan, and Mithu together made Hanspur an ideal state. Everyone in the kingdom was happy and content. The king always taught his people the importance of thinking before making decisions and never acting in haste. Part 10. The Importance of a Priceless Gift. The story ends with the question the king asked everyone on his birthday. On the occasion of the king's birthday, all the people of the kingdom were present, including a wise astrologer. Everyone gave some gift to the king, but what did the astrologer give the king that he remembers even today? Friends, we should understand that the most precious gifts are not always material but are those that teach us important life lessons. In this story, the astrologer's advice was the most priceless gift for the king, saving him and his kingdom from a grave mistake. Conclusion. This story teaches us to think before making any decision. Whether the decision is small or large, we should always consider its consequences. The story shows us that true wisdom and good advice are invaluable. Friends, enjoy this story and take a pledge to make thoughtful decisions in your life and always act with patience and understanding in every situation. Thank you.